Welcome to Key Stage 3 Science, Changes of State. So there are 3 states of matter, and they are called solid, liquid, and gas. And you can see this on our image right at the top. So when a solid melts, it turns into liquid. And when you heat up liquid, it evaporates into steam or gas. And the process can continue. So for example, if you have condensation or gas or steam, that then cools to become liquid. And you can probably see this on your windows sometimes first thing in the morning or late at night, whereby the heat from the house goes onto the windows and it turns to liquid. And then if it freezes again, then it becomes a solid state. So it's like a cycle that goes round. A solid heats up and melts into a liquid heats up and evaporates into a gas then cools and it condenses into a liquid, and then liquid then cools further and it freezes into a solid. So have a read of this information here. You've got some example substances such as oxygen, ethanol, water, sulfur, and iron. You've got their melting points and also boiling points there as well. And you've got some questions to answer thereafter just to give you a little bit more practice on this. Good luck.